Looking for a great replacement filter for your Dyson fan? This just might work for you. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This is a 2-pack air filter that fits many of the Dyson Pure Cool Link fans. Make sure to read the description to be sure this fits your unit. This filter fit our unit perfectly. Sometimes when buying off brands, the fit can be an issue, but this one fit perfectly. And when we did the reset of the filter, the fan had no issues at all. This is a 3-stage high-efficiency filter. It will filter odors, fine dust, hair, pet dander, smoke, and more. This is a H13 Hepa filter, and it works exactly as it should. I love that you get 2 filters in this box. Our fan lets us know when it's time to replace our filters, and it's always nice to have a backup on hand instead of having to wait for one to ship to us. Installing it is super easy. Unplug your fan, lift off the top, remove the old filter, slide the new filter into place, reassemble your fan, and then plug it back in. That's it. Easy as can be. If you're looking for a replacement filter for your Dyson Pure Cool fan, we recommend this.